Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, man, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you. Yes, I said it. You make an extra income, guys. You don't just sit here and watch for entertainment, even though I'm gonna give you some entertainment, but I'm also giving you guys different experiences that I've went through, different tips, tricks, and also teaching you guys trades. I flip phones and electronics, and I have a few stores now, counting to 5 in Philadelphia, guys, and I'm so excited to bring you here on my journey. So today, right, we just literally got a store last week. I just had to I've been sick, guys, so I just been so right, I've been sick, and now it's like, you gonna sit there and be sick, or you gonna sit there and try to get some stuff done? And I gotta get some stuff done. I need to get up and get dressed. 2K came out, guys. So I've been playing 2K. I've been literally trying to rest up, but I cannot continue to sit there and let this sickness get me. So today, Tamia's desk just came in. I'll show you that downstairs for her, because she's going to actually share this storefront with me. So it's a whole new experience, guys, and I'm nervous because I never had a store with somebody, and I'm also excited as well because as an entrepreneur, one of my biggest things is making sure I provide a place and a way for my family to be financially stable. And it's costing me a hell of a lot of money right now, but hopefully this is going to catapult my team and my family into a different stratosphere, right? So it's just all about me literally showing my family that this is something we can do together, and also supporting them in their dreams, right? So that is something I'm looking forward to doing. So today, on today's agenda, we working, right? So I gotta put up her desk. I then need to put up all the slate wall, I said slate wall, the grid wall that I brought about $500 worth of grid wall, but I'm only going to use a couple, and I want to get that all situated today. I'm not trying to rush, but I'm trying to rush because I want this to be up and running by the 15th. Right now it's the 11th, so I have 11, 12, 5 days. Dang, I ain't really. So 5 days. So I got until Friday, and I really want this to be up and running. I really want to have my Google ads. I want to have my what is it called? I want to have my promotion right. I want to have Groupon. I want to have everything situated so that I can reach out to my customers. I want to have my repairmen on board. I want to have all of that. So these are going to be really busy days for me, plus putting out content for you guys. So I'm excited. My camera died, but I'm excited, guys. And I just can't wait to just see the finished product. I took some videos, but I was making a reel and, you know, creating content, but at the same time, I'm trying to like get it done in real life. So I'm just trying to balance the two. If you haven't already, make sure you guys click the link below for all of my websites. AirPod Pro replicas. I have different electronics that you can afford wholesale, so you can flip. So I have different ways for you to make money, man. All you guys got to do is literally watch my videos, take my best practices, put it into whatever form and frame you want, and make it happen. Honestly, you guys got this, man. So let's get into the video. Okay, as you guys see, making my offers. So in my area, literally, I wake up and I make these 10 offers like I've been trying to tell y'all. So let's see. Maybe I should go live on YouTube. That's probably what I should do. So this is in Delaware. This person wants 600. And I just used the buyer's price list literally to make the offers, you know what I mean? So I usually have the buyer's price list on another phone, and then I just compare and make the offers. Alright, so I got the 2 phones, I got the price list up. So now we got an iPhone 14 Pro Max. If the ad is still up, it's available, fully unlocked. 256. So it's used. So 256 used, unlocked. So it would be grade B, technically. So I'm gonna offer this guy for this 14 Pro Max, $500. Boom. You know, y'all, I'm about to go live on YouTube, actually. I'll be back. All right, just went live, just got done. Now I'm waiting for Tamia to get back so that we can get to work and get other stuff done. And she literally is just walking into the door, literally right now. As we speak, she's walking into the door, which is really ironic and interesting. But yes, so now that was a great live, y'all. If you have not already, man, made your 10 offers, make sure that you're making your 10 offers, man. It is grind time. It is time to take stuff to a next level. It's time to get better. Listen, stop trying to worry about what you cannot control. Worry about what you can control. Worry about the stuff that you can do. Put yourself on a different level, okay? And make sure that you guys are becoming better every single day. And ain't nobody gonna be able to stop you. Ain't nobody gonna be able to stop you. You got this, all right? But yeah, so that was the message I gave to everybody on a live. And it's awesome. Every day you can count me in for being live, y'all, every week. I'm going to be live on YouTube, and I'm going to also hold myself accountable to making sure that I am giving you guys the best version of myself, and also the best advice and the best practices that I use to obtain the success I've obtained in the past, and the things that I've did to divert myself or to digress. I will let you guys know as well. And no matter what, guys, you are going to get a wealth of information, and we're gonna make it happen, all right? Okay, so we woke up and I come outside and have a flat tire. So now I gotta put air in it, and this car has a flat tire as well somewhere. So it just doesn't stop, y'all. It's crazy how problem after problem, but we're gonna get through it. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so we just packed the car up. Show them the stuff, please. Thank you. We just packed the car up, and now we're headed to Wawa to get some breakfast, I guess, because somebody needs to eat and nourish their body. Me personally, I'm not a breakfast person, nor am I a lunch person. I'm more of a dinner individual. But we got the stuff. We put air in the tires and all of that stuff. So now we're headed to the store. I will see you guys there. Okay, we are in Wawa right now. This is what to me it looks like. I like your scarf.
Thanks, y'all. I got me a panini sandwich and I added me on a hash brown.
What you about to do?
Put this table together.
She about to put the table together. I thought I was putting the table together, but I guess you're doing it?
Yeah. If I need help, I'll let you know.
Sorry that the camera is doing that, y'all, because she keeps zooming in when she picks the camera up. But now it's fixed. So she's about to... Are you kidding me?
Does it look like a joke?
Guys, you answer that question below in the comments. My opinion, I'll keep it to myself.